How to find your Wix DNS. So here, if we go to the dashboard of Wix, we want to click on settings here and then go to domains. You should be able to find it. Now here we want to actually locate our domain, and I'm going to go to this help article on Wix. So locating your domain records in your Wix account and checking your domain's DNS records using whatsmydns.net. So basically this Wix article here tells us that we're going to use whatsmydns.net. So what we have to do is, from what I just showed you, we want to find our domain name here if we don't know it. And then I've simply gone to whatsmydns.net, as you can see right here. So here's where we actually type out our domain name. So I'm going to do www.net.com. This is just a test. And I'm going to click on search here. And as you can see, it locates all of these DNS addresses here. So that's how you check your domain name, or find your domain and DNS on Wix. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.